we made it to number one. And number one is special, and it's for a specific demographic. Number one is for people who want their cake and they want to eat it too. Number one is for people who say, I want my home to feel like the suburb, but I still want that city energy. Number one is for people who want to feel like they live in the suburbs, but still have West Chelsea right outside their doorstep. And number one is a big reason why I love New York City real estate, because you just never know what you'll get inside some of these buildings.
As soon as you walk in, you're immediately greeted right away by a powder room. Perfect for guests. And one thing about this home, if you love hosting, you're going to love this one. From there, it unfolds into an expansive 24-foot great room, featuring a beautifully designed custom open kitchen. The custom kitchen have top-of-the-line appliances from Miele and Wolf with both gas and induction cooktops. You've got a full-size wine fridge, Cryon countertops with integrated sinks, sleek Kohler fixtures, and decorative tile backsplashes. And when you slide that door open, it takes you to an oversized 28 by 18 foot upper terrace, equipped with an outdoor kitchen and gas grill. Whether it's summer barbecues, crisp fall evenings, this space works all year long. Like I said, if you love hosting, you're gonna love this one. But let's go upstairs. As we head upstairs, the first thing you'll see is a well-placed laundry room. Next, we have bedroom 1 and 2. Both have generous walk-in closets, and they share a sleek, modern bathroom just steps away. Now, to the next wing. On the next wing, we're going to be introduced to bedroom 3 and 4, each with its own en-suite bath. Bedroom 3 en-suite bathroom features a custom fluted frozen walnut veneered vanity with a soaking tub and a glass enclosed shower. Then you have a walk-in closet right off the bedroom, giving you space for plenty of storage. Bedroom 4 have oversized windows that keep it feeling fresh and open, and it's equipped with its own en-suite bathroom as well. And now to my favorite part of the home. Down here, first thing you'll be introduced to, again, is a powder room. And then you have a windowed 25 by 19 foot recreation space. And I call it recreation because it's totally flexible. It could be a den, a home office, a guest suite, or even a playroom. The possibilities are endless. And just outside, it opens onto the 25 by 23 foot lower level terrace. Like I said, if you love entertaining, how awesome is this? You have 2 terraces, and the great thing about it, in my opinion, is that they connect to each other. So this terrace connects right back up to the top terrace. The flow here is seamless. The layout of this home is absolutely flawless. So we have 4 beds, 3.5 baths for $8.95 million in West Chelsea. This is suburban living right in the middle of New York City.